Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to ask questions on Deepseek. So if you also want to ask questions on Deepseek, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So in Deepseek AI application, you'll be able to ask the questions and you can get instant help with those questions. So if you also want to ask questions, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Deepseek application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So from here, you can ask the question to Deepseek. For that, at bottom, you'll be able to find the message bar. All you have to do is tap on it. Now from here, you'll be able to type in your message. Simply type in the question you want to ask. Now after you type in the question, you can also tell the Deepseek to deep think if you want. If you want to enable that feature, simply tap on the option deep think that you can see right over here on your screen. If you want the Deepseek to search it up on web, simply tap on the search option that you can see right over here. Now after that, what you have to do is tap on the arrow icon or send icon that you can see on your screen. Now after that, you'll get a response from Deepseek like this. You'll be able to ask questions on Deepseek. So that is how you ask questions on Deepseek. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.